Good afternoon, everyone. Glad to be here to give a brief introduction about openEuler's future. So I'm Yan Jun from Institute of Software, Chinese Academy of Sciences, and also a standing committee member of openEuler community. So the topic today is Future Unfolded, exploring the vision of openEuler. First, I would like to give some latest data about openEuler. This data is just updated this morning, and we can see we have already have 11,000 repositories, 162,000 pull requests, and 1.3 million global downloads. And most important, we have more than 1,500 enterprise members, and we have 18,000 contributors. So openEuler is actually a very large community. And go back to 4 years ago, openEuler is just about 1% market share in China server operating system. But at the end of last year, we reached more than 36%. So it's a really fast-growing OS distribution. So, but that is not, however, that is not my topic today. My topic today is where shall we go? Where we are going to do in the next step. So as we all know, that intelligent computing era has arrived. We can see a lot of new hardware technologies like no volatile memory, domain-specific architecture, high-speed communications, and as well as energy constraint. On the other hand, we have diverse new application demands. So here we take operating system as innovation engine to meet versatile scenarios. How we achieve this? From two aspects. One aspect is operating system for AI, and another is AI for operating system. So here's the details. On one hand, we offered end-to-end AI DevOps, like programming assistance. We have Euler Copilot, which has been mentioned this morning, and we have AI shell command for auto completion and recommendation. We also have we are also working on a coding compilant like Copilot X from GitHub. So we also did a lot of things to improve the performance of openEuler, from the AI configuration, AI tuning. On the other hand, we have AI assistant operation and management. We offer a lot of AI frameworks, libraries, drivers, operators. We also encapsulate AI apps in containers like Docker and like Isola. Also, we support heterogeneous hardware with unified scheduling, and we also improve the inference by concurrent inference more than 50%. So as Dr. Xun has mentioned yesterday, we have a lot of developers, like 18,000 developers. So we have a collaborative development for full-stack innovation. And now we have more than 400 code repositories for innovation projects, with an average of 10 new innovation projects each month. So openEuler is not just for server operating system, but also for many other scenarios, like cloud and embedded computing. We have already employed openEuler to some typical scenarios like multimedia conference, smart factories. We now build openEuler as a contribution platform for global developers with other open source foundations. For example, openEuler has already had native support for OpenStack. This has done with openInfra Foundation. The members from openEuler has already been the leading kernel contributors. And we also have many native support for major projects in Linux Foundation. We also give full stack native support for big data like Spark, Flink under Apache Foundation. And Beijing GDK, which is compatible with openGDK, has also had the compatibility certification from Eclipse. So we also have many communication platforms for global developers like LinkedIn, YouTube, Twitter, Reddit. We have, in order to, for the convenience of global developers, we not only hosted our projects in Git, but also in GitHub and GitLab. So if you wanted to experience openEuler today, you can download from the website with different images like ISO images, cloud images, container images. We also have a Windows subsystem for Linux WSL version of openEuler. You can also use virtual machine to install openEuler, and you can also play with Raspberry Pi. So last, but I think the most important part, I want to give a brief introduction about Open Source Promotion Plan, OSPP. I think this is very important for students here today. This OSPP is initiated by ISCAST and openEuler from 2020. It's an alternative to Google Summer Code. I think many students may have heard of Google Summer Code, GSOC. GSOC started from 2005. Actually, I was a student at that time, and I was one of the first participators of GSOC. So from 2020, we started an alternative to GSOC called OSPP. We want to bring mentors from communities and students from universities to make contributions to open source. So this year is summer 2024. It's the first year. We have more projects, more mentors, and more fellow students. And specifically, we have many students from different countries, like Europe, like British, France. We also have students from Canada, American, and also have students like from India, Pakistan. But it's a pity that till now we don't have students from Vietnam. So we strongly welcome mentors and students from Vietnam to join in OSPP. And then together we build a shared future. This is my talk today. Thank you very much.